Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 3 and name of the chapter 3 is the plants around us. Chapter 3, plants around us. So in this chapter I discussed about the parts of a plant. Parts of a plant, I told you root, stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, and then I told you types of plants. In types of plants I discussed about the trees, shrubs and herbs. So trees are the tall plant, shrubs are the medium sized plants, and shrubs are the medium sized plants, and herbs are the small plant. They are the small plant with soft stem. So these are the differentiation between the trees, herb and shrubs. Trees, shrubs and herbs. So now I will discuss about the creepers. What is the creepers? Some plants have weak stems. Creepers plants have weak stems and they grow along the ground, just like this is the ground, and they along the ground like this. Plant is growing like this along the ground because they have weak stems, and such type of plants are called the creepers. Pumpkin, you can see that it is come under the creepers because they grow along the ground. And watermelon, these are the examples of the creepers. Examples, I will tell you. Examples of creepers: watermelon and pumpkin. And second one is the pumpkin. I think all of you seen this one, watermelon also and pumpkin also. So they are the creepers. They are comes under the creepers because they grow along the ground and stems are weak. So they are comes under the creepers. Examples I told you, watermelon and pumpkin. And now I will discuss about the climbers. What are the climbers? Climbers. Here you can see that climbers. What are the climbers? The climbers have weak stemmed plant. So they need some support to grow. Just like this is another plant. Suppose that it is a plant. And because of the weak stem, because climbers are the weak stemmed plant, so they need some support to grow like this, or they need some support to grow. These are the climbers and they need some support to grow because of their stems are very weak. That's why they need some support to grow. They can't grow without support, and such type of plants are called the climbers. You can see that money plant, grapevine, money plant, and grapevine. Money plant and grapevine. Money plant and grapevine. So what are the climbers? Climbers are the weak stemmed plants, and stems are very weak. That's why they can't grow without any support. Means for growing support is needed. So in this I discussed trees, shrubs, herbs and creepers, climbers. Now what is the water plants? Water plants. Water plants. water plants. Water plants. Obviously, by name you can recognize those plants grow in water are called the water plants. Plants, those who grow in water, they are called the water plants. By name you can recognize. Water plant, जो पौधे पानी में रहते हैं उन्हें हम water plants कहते हैं. All of you understood? Plants, those who grow in water are called the water plants. Example, you can see that water lily and lotus. Water lily and lotus. These are the examples of the water plants. Water plants, plant those who live in water. Examples, water lily and lotus. So this is the chapter 3, plants around us, I have completed, and I will send you PDF and then you can write notes from the PDF. And what we have learned in this chapter, we learned in this chapter a plant has many parts: stem, root, leaf, flower and fruit. Plants are of different types: trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, water plant. And so this is your chapter 3, you will take a revision.